Hi there! Today is Friday and I thought I can show you how my day looks like as a virtual assistant and a social media manager. I usually go to Philippine Arena or the Memorial Park near my area around 6 in the morning so I can do my morning jog. Starting my day with cardio makes me feel like I will have the energy to do all my tasks for the rest of the day. I make sure that I am back home before 7 a.m. since I have a meeting with my coach. I am currently undergoing a training under the Department of Information and Communications about social media management. Social media marketing is ever-changing and it is a must for social media managers to be ahead of the game. Hence, I consistently take courses and attend training like this. I have learned so much from my coach, especially with content creation and finding leads for myself as a freelancer. The meeting only took about an hour since we are almost done with the 24-week training. I just need to submit some requirements, then hopefully I will graduate before the year ends. After the training, I answered some emails, then I decided to go to a cafe for lunch. This is one of the perks of being a virtual assistant that I love so much. The fact that I can choose my office for the day makes me even more productive. I drove for about an hour to get to this new cafe I found on Facebook. This is farther than the usual cafes I go to, but since the weather is great, I didn't mind the longer drive. I was surprised that the cafe was pretty empty considering that it was a Friday. I love the vibe of this cafe. Pink is so on brand for me, so this is perfect for my office for the afternoon. I chose to stay at a table near a power socket so I can charge if necessary. I only brought my iPad and a wireless keyboard since I have pretty light tasks today. I mainly have to answer emails and DMs, then schedule content for my Facebook page and Instagram. I decided to order after setting up my table. It's already 1 in the afternoon, but breakfast is my favorite meal, so I ordered one of their all-day breakfast. Of course, I also ordered coffee since everyone knows coffee is life. I continued answering emails while waiting for the food. Working in customer service, specifically in the BPO industry, for the past 10 years definitely helped me gain confidence as a freelancer. It helped me improve my communication skills, both verbal and written, especially when communicating with my foreign clients. I decided to take a little break when the food arrived. Their caramel macchiato was so good, I really enjoyed it. The breakfast was also amazing. Nothing can go wrong with waffles, bacon, and sausage. I then prepared the tools that I need to schedule content for my Facebook and Instagram. I recently started the social media pages so I can separate my business from my personal life. All the links of my social media channels are on the description box, so please check them out. Anyway, I thought this would be a good opportunity to share a tutorial on how to schedule content via Meta Business Suite app. Before I open the app, I check my content calendar first so I know which content to schedule for the next 2 weeks. I make sure that I have at least 2 weeks of content ready so I don't post aimlessly. The dates, theme, topics, graphics, caption, and hashtags are all here. I found the content that I have to schedule, so I copied the caption, then opened the Meta Business Suite app. Of course, you can also schedule via the browser, but since I am using an iPad, the app is so much easier to use. I have both my Facebook page and Instagram connected here so I can schedule on both channels at the same time. To start scheduling, just click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen or select Planner from the menu. Here are the contents I previously scheduled on my planner. To schedule, just click on the date where you want the content to go live, then ensure that both Instagram and Facebook are selected. I then paste the caption I copied from my content calendar. Then, select the photo icon to upload the graphics needed for that post. My graphics was already downloaded on my iPad, so I just need to find it from my gallery. After selecting the graphics, just click Done. I then go back to my social media calendar to copy the hashtags, then paste it on Meta Business Suite app. I just make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be. Then you can preview the post on both Facebook and Instagram by selecting the appropriate button. Once satisfied, just select the schedule button at the top right corner of the screen. The scheduled post will then appear on the planner. You may also click this icon if you want to make revisions, delete, or reschedule your content. That's pretty much it. Comment down below if you have any questions, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.